Hi TVS and my dear Gen friends, welcome back to my next video on MATLAB. So in this video I am going to tell you about the addition and multiplication of two various signals. So without wasting time, let us start our code. Let us begin our code. So as usual I write clear screen and close all. If any other programs are running, then I will be closing all. Then mention the time period. As usual, create one sinusoidal signal with f as frequency, where I am mentioning the f value as 2, where 2 is nothing but 2 hertz. My dear friends, gentle friends, if you are watching this for first time, do like, share and subscribe. So I will be bringing more videos of this kind of videos to you, so that it will be very easy for your lab practical exams to execute your program. It may be in exact way or it may be another way, but I will be telling you the very simplest codes of executing the programs. So please like and share the channel. So let us see. Now I have taken two signals and I am plotting those two signals. As a plot is a thing, but it is a continuous domain, and stem is nothing but your discontinuous domain. So if you want discrete signal, then use the keyword as stem. If you want a continuous signal, then use the keyword as a plot. So this is the difference between stem and plot. Small difference. Title is used to write the title of the graph. X label and Y label, X axis and Y axis labels, we have written it as usually. So next I am plotting the second signal. I have plotted these two signals, and then I will perform an addition signal on these two signals. So, but to plot two or three, four, or two or many signals, we use subplot. Subplot divides the graph into number of parts. So it may be any part. So here I am taking it as a 4, 1, 1 because I require it is a 4 by 1 matrix. As you know, the matrices 4 by 1 matrix, where we have 4 rows and 1 column. Okay, so in that first one I require it. So 4 1 1 I have taken. Next I have taken 4 1 2, and next I have taken 4 1 3, where I have plotted the addition of two signals. Simply I have written S1 plus S2 as you can see there. And for multiplying, just I have kept a multiplication symbol there, and then I have plotted it. That's it, what I have done. I have taken two signals, I have plotted those two signals, then I have plotted this added signal, then I have just taken this multiplication. Remember friends, when you are multiplying, just S1, keep a dot and multiply with S2. Let us save the signal, and we have not got executed this because we have not kept that dot. So multiplication. To do multiplication, we have to insert that dot. Error using inner matrix dimension must agree. We get in this type of error when we keep only multiplication. So to overcome that, just keep S1 dot multiply by S2. As you can see there, I have doing that S1 dot multiply by S2. After doing this, just save it and then run it. Then you can find the signal. So friends, this is the first signal, this is the second signal, and the added signal you can see there, and the multiplied signal you can see. So this is a simple code. You can go back, pause it, and you can see it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. If you have any doubts, comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe friends. Thank you.